above the hills of green, where rivers shine and woods convene, the falcon soars, his wings of flame. No chain can bind, no man can tame. Oh, falcon spirit, wild and free, guide my heart across the sea, through storm and shadow, night and day. Your song will show the ancient way. He circles where the druids pray, or standing stones the gods have made. His cry awakens earth and sky.